Have you ever felt like you don't have what it takes to succeed? Like no matter what you do, you can't seem to believe in yourself. You are not alone. Today we will tackle this issue head on and explore how to believe in yourself even when it feels like you have no good reason to. Believing in yourself is the foundation for achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life, even when you have no reason to. In this video, we will explore why self-belief is crucial, the psychological barriers that hold us back, and practical steps to start believing in yourself right now. Stay with me as we delve into the importance of self-belief, understand the psychological barriers, and learn practical steps to build self-belief from scratch. The importance of self-belief. First, let's talk about why self-belief is so crucial. Self-belief influences every aspect of our lives. It drives us to take risks, face challenges, and persevere through difficulties. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to pursue your goals with determination and confidence. Self-belief gives you the courage to step out of your comfort zone and take the necessary actions to achieve your dreams. Real-life examples. Think about figures like Oprah Winfrey, who faced numerous setbacks but believed in herself and achieved great success. Despite her difficult childhood and numerous obstacles, Oprah's self-belief propelled her to become a media mogul and an inspirational figure worldwide. Her story is a testament to the power of self-belief and its ability to transform lives. Understanding psychological barriers. Now let's identify the common psychological barriers preventing us from believing in ourselves. These barriers include self-doubt, fear of failure, past experiences, and negative self-talk. Self-doubt can creep in when we compare ourselves to others or focus on our shortcomings. Fear of failure can paralyze us, making us avoid taking risks or trying new things. Past experiences, especially negative ones, can shape our self-perception and limit our belief in our abilities. Negative self-talk reinforces these barriers, creating a vicious cycle of doubt and insecurity. Impact of these barriers. These psychological barriers can paralyze us and reinforce a lack of belief in our abilities. For example, self-doubt and fear can stop us from acting, creating a vicious cycle of inaction and low self-esteem. When we don't believe in ourselves, we may avoid opportunities, miss out our potential growth, and settle for less than we deserve. Overcoming these barriers is essential to unlocking our full potential and living a fulfilling life. Practical steps to build self-belief. Let's move on to the practical steps you can take to start believing in yourself even when you feel like you have no reason to. Start small. Set achievable goals and celebrate small wins. Begin with small, manageable tasks that build confidence as you achieve them. Each small success will help you build momentum and boost your self-belief. For instance, if you are learning a new skill, break it down into smaller steps and focus on mastering each piece individually. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge your efforts. These small victories will gradually build your confidence and believe in your abilities. Positive affirmations. Second, use positive affirmations to counter negative self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations like, I am capable, or I can achieve my goals. Over time, these positive statements can reshape your mindset. Write down a list of positive affirmations and repeat them daily. Whenever you think negatively, consciously replace these thoughts with positive affirmations. This practice can rewire your brain and boost your self-belief. Surround yourself with positivity. Third, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with supportive people and inspirational content. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and consume content that inspires and motivates you. Seek out positive influences, whether it's through books, podcasts, or social media accounts that promote self-belief and personal growth. Distance yourself from negative influences that drain your energy and undermine your self-confidence. Surrounding yourself with positivity creates a nurturing environment that fosters self-belief. Reflect on past successes. Fourth, reflect on your past successes. Remind yourself of past achievements, no matter how small. Reflecting on times when you succeeded in the past can prove that you are capable. Create a success journal where you record your accomplishments and the positive feedbacks you have received. When self-doubt creeps in, revisit your success journal to remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. Reflecting on your successes reinforces your belief in yourself and boosts your confidence. Take actions despite doubt. Fifth, take action despite doubt. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act despite it. Take steps towards your goals even if you feel uncertain. These actions build confidence. Start with small steps that push you out of your comfort zone and gradually increase the level of challenge. Each time you take action despite doubt, you prove to yourself that you are capable and resilient. Embrace comfort and see it as an opportunity for growth. The more you take action, the more your self-belief will strengthen. Mindfulness and visualization. Practice mindfulness and visualization. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded and focused on the present moment, reducing anxiety about the future. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing, exercise, or journaling. These practices can help you cultivate self-awareness and manage negative thoughts. Visualization involves imagining yourself succeeding, which can build your confidence and create a mental image of success. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving your goals. Picture the steps you need to take and positive outcomes. Visualization helps you create a mental roadmap and strengthen your belief in your abilities to achieve your aspirations. Believing in yourself is essential for success. Understand your psychological barriers. Start small. Use positive affirmations. Surround yourself with positivity. Reflection on past successes. Take actions despite doubt and practice mindfulness and visualization. By incorporating these practical steps into your daily life, you can build self-belief and overcome the obstacles that hold you back. Self-belief is a journey. Even if you feel like you have no reason to believe in yourself, these steps can help you build your confidence to achieve your dreams. You can transform your mindset and unlock your full potential. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your journey to self-belief can inspire others too. You can create a supportive community that empowers each other to believe in yourselves and achieve greatness. You are capable of amazing things. Start believing in yourself today and watch how your life transforms. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. Embrace your inner strengths and take the first step towards a brighter future.